Subscribe to the channel, please comment below, and don't forget to share this video.
Number 10. The Delve Square SS features an asymmetrical, aircraft-grade aluminum base, where the stainless steel blade splits the quarter and 3/8 inch sides. So, finding the center of 3/4 inch stock, or laying out mortise and tenon joints, is quick, easy, and dead-on accurate. The base also boasts quarter, 3/8, half, and 3/4 inch setup block references for drill press, saw blade, and router bit depth of cut adjustments. Plus, the innovative design of the Delve Square SS is essential for layout work. Make perfect scribe lines using the precision drilled holes at every 1/8 of an inch along the 90-degree edge. Use the hypotenuse edge, calibrate it in 1-degree increments for quick and accurate layout of angled cuts. The 6-inch model includes central cutouts that provide precise half, 3/4, and 1-inch references, while the 3.5-inch model features half-inch cutout references. And both versions feature a hole milled to perfectly locate a self-centering drill bit at the center of a 3/4 inch edge.
Number 9.
Now available from Rockler, 3 of our award-winning silicone gluing accessories bundled together to take the stress and mess out of your glue-ups. If you've ever used the typical acid brushes to spread glue, you know what a mess they can make. They leave glue on the bench, have lousy coverage, and after one use you have to throw them away. As a result, many woodworkers have resigned themselves to using their fingers, but that's a sure way to get glue on your bench, which causes scratches and glue spots in your finish and holes in your clothes. But all that changes with the 3-piece silicone gluing kit from Rockler. The silicone tray features a neat notch that holds the brush and catches excess drops. And even when used without the tray, the bristles never make contact with your bench. Best of all, when your glue-up is done, you can set your gluing tools aside and forget them. Once the glue dries, it peels off easily and you're ready for another project.
Number 8.
The sled comes with 2 tall round handles to allow the user a firm, comfortable grip from any angle of approach. A clear elevated guide runs against the fence, offering a large, smooth running reference edge without having to cut the sled or use a miter slot. A support block gives support to the workpiece, and an included abrasive strip keeps the workpiece from being pulled towards the bit. A toggle clamp features tool-free adjustments and one-handed operation. Simply press on the red handle to hold down the workpiece. To use the coping sled, set up the router bit of your choice and adjust the height, taking into account the thickness of the base. Using Rockler setup blocks make this process very easy. Insert your workpiece, move the support block with abrasive tape and lock it into position. Then activate the toggle clamp by pressing down on the red handle. Turn on your router and dust collection and make a smooth pass by the router bit, keeping the clear guide along the fence. The sacrificial backer will prevent blowouts and can easily be replaceable.
Number 7. Number 6.
Save valuable wall space in your shop. with clamp bracket. With clamp bracket.
Number 5.
Beginning the extraction process is simple. First, choose the proper grabbit number 1, 2, 3, or 4 by selecting a size that is smaller in diameter than the head of the damaged screw or shank of the broken bolt. Place the selected grabbit extractor into the drill with the drilling end out first. Tighten the chuck and set the drill in reverse or counterclockwise direction. Next, place the point of the grabbit in the center of the damaged screw or bolt and begin drilling at a moderately slow speed until the hole is approximately 1/16 of an inch deep and smooth in circumference. Be certain to clear away any metal chips that may be left in the drilled hole. Once you have completed cleaning the screw or bolt, loosen the chuck and flip the grabbit power extractor over to the opposite threaded removal end. Be sure the drill is in reverse or counterclockwise direction. Place the tip of the removal end into the drilled hole. Apply firm downward pressure on the drill and slowly begin to remove the damaged screw or bolt. When choosing the proper size extraction tool, make sure that you select a tool that is smaller in diameter than the head of the damaged screw or shank of the broken bolt. Be sure to drill the center of the screw or bolt. Drilling off-center may result in further unwanted damage to the screw or bolt. When preparing a screw or bolt for extraction, it is important that drilling is done slowly.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Sure, bench vices are heavy duty, but they're not indestructible. The extreme force they generate can be their undoing if not used properly. Racking is enemy number 1 of your vise and your stock. Racking happens every time you clamp stock near the end of your vise, because the lead screw and steel rods are in the way. If you tighten the vise with this setup, racking will occur, causing an unwanted vicious circle of events. Because equal force is not applied to your stock, greater force is required to secure it. Now your vise is racked even more. Racking can crush a corner of your stock due to the tremendous unequal force. Worse yet, your vise can be bent. When this happens, your vise is permanently damaged. Woodpecker's precision vise shims eliminate racking. When you insert vise shims equal to the thickness of your stock at the opposite end of the vise, clamping force is equalized. Woodpecker's new vise shims can be combined to match just about all the possible stock thicknesses a woodworker will ever need. The 22-piece shim set is comprised of 16 stainless steel shims 1/16 of an inch thick, 4 shims 1/32 of an inch thick, plus one big shim at 1 1/2 inches and another that's a 1/2 inch. When all are used, these vise shims can handle stock up to 3 inches thick. Our full deck of shims is captured in an aluminum collar in which they easily slide up and down. You can quickly make up the combination you need to precisely match your stock thickness. The collar quickly comes apart to rearrange shim positions or add or remove shims to get that perfect fit. Furthermore, our unique design means there's no fussing around to align the shims between the vise faces, since they drop straight down without slipping sideways. And when you order vise shims, your set will be delivered in a rugged plastic case with a custom-cut foam interior to provide a lifetime of protection.
Number 1.
Thanks for watching. Please comment below which one do you like best. Let me know what you're thinking. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to channel. See you next time.